Hi guys. So a lot of you had asked me questions on my Instagram stories about this plant hanger that I created from the plastic bottles. So today I'm going to show you how I use these plastic bottles to grow plants in it. So let's begin. To start with, you need empty plastic bottles. I used 2-liter soda bottles which were at home. Remove the plastic label from the bottle. As shown here, cut the bottle using a knife or a scissor. Now we need to make holes in this bottle so that we can have proper drainage of water through it. As you can see here, we have made 7 holes in the bottle, 5 of them at the bottom and 2 of them on the top. The top ones are so that we can put the string through it, and the bottom ones are for the drainage. To hold these bottles, you need jute string. You can get this jute string at any of the Dollar Tree or Walmart or any of the super centers. To get an idea of how long you want to make your plant hanger, lay down the bottles on the floor and put the string around it so you can have an idea of how long you need to cut the string. Once you get an idea, make 2 equal parts of strings so that we can use them to hang the plants. After you have cut the string which you are going to use, make sure you dip it in water and soak it for at least 2 to 3 hours before you start using it. This will make the jute string stronger and it will hold the knots. After soaking it for a couple of hours, take the wet jute string and put it through the holes which we made earlier in the plastic bottle. As you can see here, we have put the string through the bottle holes. Now we are going to put the knots on both the sides. We are going to put 4 knots, 2 on each side, 1 at the bottom and 1 at the top. After putting knots on all the 4 sides of the bottle, your bottle should have enough support to hold the soil and the plant. Now you can start adding bottles on top of the string depending on the length of it. Make sure the knots are tight enough to hold the bottle and give it enough support. Once that is done, your bottle hanger is ready to put plants in it. Add soil and the plants to these bottles, and in this way, your plant hanger is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy gardening! Also, for more updates, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've put my handle details down here.